Ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Welcome to my toy review.
Hello, welcome to Mario's toy review. What you got today? Shh.
It is the Lion Mystery Toolbox.
Okay. So we got a Ryan's World Build a Ryan Mystery Toolbox. We bought this online. You can buy it at Target or Walmart, and it's like $60. So as your parents, you want to buy this online only. It's not available in stores. So let's see what's inside. So on the top, it includes 5 Build Orions, 1 pullback vehicle, 1 kinetic sand, 4 sticker sheet, 1 mystery dig it with a 5-inch or 5th Build Orion, 4 hand tools, and more. Alright.
Guys.
Oh, okay, this is what it looks like in the back. So we get a vehicle, some Build Orion, some stickers, a sand, and a dig it. Alright, so let's open what's inside.
Yeah, this one, hit the like button to here. You just have it. You're not lying, right?
Yeah.
Wait.
Alright, grab some scissors. Alright, we're gonna unwrap the plastic. Alright, be right back.
Okay, guys.
Alright. Yes. Okay, so we unwrap everything. So let's figure out how to open this. How would you open this, Mario? Alright, we open that section.
Ooh,
Alright.
accessories.
Accessories.
Oh,
Let's see. So you get some Build Orions. I think like they're stickers. So we'll open that later.
ooh.
Alright, so you got some tools. What kind of tools are they, Mario?
It fits down.
This is called, what is called?
A screwdriver.
And what is that called?
A screwdriver.
Nope. That's a screwdriver and that's called flathead.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright,
Okay,
so.
let's open the top first.
Alright, let's open the top first.
Because I like tops, right?
Mm-hmm. Alright, so Mario screwed everything.
Wait, this is stuck.
Alright. Ooh.
But still more.
Still more. Alright, so Mario's using the flathead to screw that off.
Oh. Do not hit the screwdriver. Do not put it down, okay? Keep an eye on you, guys. Ooh, yeah.
Whoa.
I like accessories.
Yeah. So we got 6 bags to open. Alright, let's open them back. Open the bags, Mario.
Yeah. Combo.
Ooh, we got a combo, and these are all builders, I believe. So as you saw Mario did, he took off combo. So we got combo and a uniform outfit. Alright.
I put it like that.
Alright, no problem.
Because people like it that way, I know. Okay, guys. Just build a
Ooh.
and see if we can come and
Alright,
know
let me
that.
see. Ooh, this is a pretty pack. Let's see if it's a focus. Focus? No? Okay, well, it's like a purple pack. There it is. Purple pack. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, bag number 3.
I think mine is on top there.
Alright, we'll find out.
That's invisible lion. That's Robo Lion.
Oh, no, it's not invisible. What is it? Let me see. Oh, okay, it's a Carpenter Robo Ryan.
And then it's glow in the dark.
Oh, his eyes probably does.
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep opening.
why cutie falling down, guys. Tell me why. Wait, there's some screws.
Some screws. Oh,
What?
more screws.
What these screws do?
I'm not sure. Let's put it all together.
Yeah,
Alright, we got some more screws.
Yeah, because.
Alright.
Screws
Sorry, just in case you lost some.
Yeah. Huh. They very nice, right?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Can't see.
Alright. Okay, we got a sand.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll open that later. Alright, let's get these out of the way. Alright, we got one more bag. I guess you're right. That is Ryan.
What?
That is Ryan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm a good boy. Because I'm smart now. Because I did it smart, guys.
Yes, Mario's getting very smart.
Yeah. Wait. It is.
All right, we
Wait,
got
got it
Ryan.
right, guys.
All right, let's use the flathead and unscrew that one.
Yeah, guys. I don't know what's inside there, but is it other characters?
Ooh, what's
Now
that one inside?
Ooh. Oh, it's a big bag. Goodness. Boys, huh?
All right, we got more tools and a hammer.
The hammer
All right.
do the smash.
So let's use this one and unscrew the sides. So there's one right here. Not that one right here. Right here, the yellow one.
Oh, found one.
Okay.
Wait.
Ooh.
Found a big. Wait.
Oh, something fell down.
What? What?
What's over here? And I missed it. What is it, Mario?
I'm trying to open it.
Alright. Here's the scissors.
Thank you, Mommy. It's made in cardboard.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to take this off.
Cut the tape out. There you go. Careful with using the scissors.
Because they are very dangerous, guys.
They're very sharp, yep.
Yeah. Be careful. You cut your finger. Ooh. So good to be bad.
Alright, so when Mara's opening that up. Alright, so we got Ryan. Ooh, look at this hat. Okay. So
You
we
like
got
your hat?
Combo. We got Peck. And the Robo Carpenter. Extra screws and the kinetic sand. I like that Peck. Very purple. Alright, we got a vehicle.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Let's leave it there.
Okay. Mara wants to leave it inside here, which is fine. Alright, we got another side to open right here. So,
Yeah, guys.
this time I will videotape it. Oh, that's not. Shh, Mario.
Okay.
Alright, now pull something out. Alright, what is it?
Guys, this is very heavy.
Okay, it's very heavy.
Let's see. Wait a minute.
Ooh.
Dig it.
Oh, okay, we have to dig it.
Yeah, but
Alright.
one more. Wait, this is empty.
Alright, so we have to dig it, see what's inside here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Got to dig it outside, guys.
Alright, so, okay, hold on. Okay, so we're going to pause real quick to see how I'm going to do this because it's kind of in the middle of the night. Hold on. Alright, so we broke everything outside because it's messy and it's dark. But we broke everything inside, so let's see what is inside of the big digging blocks. Alright, Mario, let's find what's inside. Quietly. Alright, Mario found a head.
Do a titan.
It's Red Titan. Oh, Mario also found his body. Okay.
And his legs, right?
Let's find his legs. Oh, you found his legs? Yeah. Alright, cool.
We're talking builder.
Wow, red by construction. That's pretty cool. Look, guys. Alright, so this what everything came inside. You get like a mega toolbox with some tools, with a hammer, and then you get a combo pack, and then a robo construction with the sand, and then some extra screws, and these stickers that you can put it all over your box, and also a little vehicle. That looks pretty cool. Does the vehicle does? Sorry, here goes.
I want to decorate it, guys.
That's fine. Oh, this moves. I wonder if it makes noises though. No? Does it make noises? Oh. I guess the only thing goes up and down. Alright, that's fine. Alright, that should conclude today's video. Let's do that later.
Yeah.
Alright, that should conclude today's video, right, Mario?
Yeah, but look at those.
Oh, let's show the stickers.
Huh?
So we got a blueprint of a rocket and Ryan. And we got another sticker right here. And then this sticker. So Mario's gonna have fun decorating the stickers. Alright, this concludes today's video, right?
Yeah.
Alright, don't wait to tell everybody.
Please can you write and subscribe to my channel?
Yes. How about you look at everybody right here? Right here.
Okay, guys. See you later. Bye.
Alright, see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We'll do more toy review, especially for Ryan. And I think there's more to come. Alright, bye guys.
Bye-bye. See you guys soon.
Right here. We're right here.
Bye-bye now. For now.
Yep, for now.